Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm pretty much going to be going over an issue I had with my car recently. The water pump pretty much gave out, but that's part of the 90K, 100K service, I guess. So on the stock one that came with the car, it has a plastic impeller, and I had a leak from there dripping down into my actual bottom part of the block, which I'll show you on the video, and pretty much replaced that actual water pump, and now it's all pretty good. So I'll go over and show you guys step by step of what I did with my buddy and how we pretty much went about changing it. So hope you guys enjoy the channel. I hope it helps out. Alright guys, it's raining right now, so don't mind the weather out here in Florida, of course. Anyways, the water pump housing is right here. So what actually ended up happening, which you'll see on the video, the bottom part on the seal was actually leaking, and it was due to the fact that on the old water pump, I guess it just wasn't properly working. It had some shaft play in it, and it was just dripping down from there. You can kind of see where it was leaking from. But anyways, what we did, we just disconnected all of these lines right here. So it was this one right here, these two that go to the manifold. Then after that, we took off the charge pipe. This car is MQB swapped, so charge pipes might be different on your car if it's not MQB swapped. But then there's a plastic housing for the actual belt, which you could barely see. But from there's two screws that hold that on. You take those screws off, then all the screws around it, and then what you do, you just take off the belt, and then you just take off the whole water pump. Then when you grab the new one, you want to make sure you have the seal that goes around, which you can see it, and just pop the seal in, place this bad boy in there, which it goes this way into the car. Then you put the belt back on. After you put the belt back on, you start bolting up the other bolts that don't cover the actual cover for the belt, and then you just put the belt cover bolts on with the cover, and that should do it. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Like you'll see, the new one doesn't have the plastic impeller, which are notorious to failure, and it's just a quick little fix that saved a lot of money actually if you do it by yourself. But yep, there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next video.